Okay, good morning, everyone. I mean, good afternoon.
Good
How are
afternoon,
you?
Laura.
Okay, I want to ask Jessica, how are you, Jessica?
I'm good, Miss.
How about you, Agnes?
I'm very, very good, Miss. How about you, Miss?
I'm good. Today we want to learn about. Sorry, I will share screen first. I can see my camera there.
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
My camera is on.
Yes.
Camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so today we want to learn about narrative text. Are you have um know about narrative text?
Yes, Miss.
Not yet, Miss.
Okay, not yet. Okay. Okay, before we start the lesson, I will ask you one by one. Maybe start from Jessica. Have you ever read a storybooks or novels? What was it about?
Yes, Miss. I ever read a book about Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty.
Wow, okay. In your opinion, what makes storybooks or novel is interesting to read?
Um, um, I'm really like the I'm really like the story about that. Sorry, Miss. Yeah. What your question again?
Hmm?
Sorry.
What makes storybooks or novels interesting to read?
Oh, what's make interesting the because they are have because they have a kind character, not just only not just only that, but they are can be a smart too.
Okay, how about Agnes?
For me, in my opinion, it's because it's an interactive and storytelling very natures, Miss.
Okay, but have you read a storybooks or novel? What was it
Of
about?
course, Miss. I really like reading novels. I'm
Hmm?
often read the novel is I'm forget what is this. Uh, is the
Uh,
gender is romance, means a true love,
True
true
Love.
love. Yeah.
Okay. Next, okay, so here we will to play a game. Can you see the screen?
Okay. Yes, miss. Already.
So I will display a picture of a hotel. So you have to guess what the title of the story of the picture. But before you answer, you must to turn on your mic. Okay. Uh,
I think
this.
Jessica is winner because she's very smart about the vocal tell,
Okay.
so I can lose. Okay, start, miss. Um,
What is the
bawang
title?
merah, bawang putih.
Bawang merah bawang
Oh,
putih,
betul.
Miss.
Correct. Okay, Agnes.
first.
Next, what is it about?
Roro
The
Jonggrang.
title, just the title.
Dari Prambanan, Roro Jonggrang.
Agnes first. 2 point for Agnes. Okay, next. What is it?
Dan Toba.
Bahasa Mesir.
Uh-huh.
Bahasa
Oh,
Mesir.
no.
Tunggu, berarti ini Miss yang saya lupa, pokoknya dia jasnya awal mula laut menjadi asin kah?
No, a little bit correct.
Apa ini?
Awal mula
The clue is lake, a lake.
Tunggu, sebentar dulu, ini apa? Telaga
awal
Warna.
mula
Telaga Warna.
terbentuknya Danau Toba.
Correct. Danau Toba. I said Danau Toba.
Iya.
3 point for Agnes. Next. This one.
Oh, Timun Mas. Timun Mas.
Okay. 1 point for Jessica. Next. Be ready. This one.
Ya, Miss.
Oh,
This
ini
the
Tangkuban Perahu.
Huh?
Tangkuban Perahu. Tangkuban Perahu.
okay. 2 point for Jessica. Okay.
Next,
So
Miss.
that's all.
Oh my god.
It's enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I'm winner.
Okay. We move to the lesson. I want Jessica, please read.
Okay. What is narrative text? So narrative text is a type of text that tells an imaginary or modified true story arranged in a sequence of events that have happened in the past.
Okay, so narrative text is a text, sesuatu teks yang isinya menceritakan sebuah kisah nyata atau imajinatif yang telah dimodifikasi. Okay, I want to ask Agnes, in your opinion, what is narrative text?
Okay. In my opinion, narrative text is text that is often to use, especially in students or on the educations, because is it interactive and storytelling nature, and then also if we have a hobby of reading or pursuing a writing professions. That's it, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Thanks, Jessica and Agnes. Okay, we move the next slide. Okay, next is the purpose of narrative text. So the purpose of narrative text is to tell a story and entertains the reader. It also aims to share experiences, teach a lesson, and give a moral value. Okay, I want to ask Jessica, in your opinion, just in your opinion, not from this slide text, what is the purpose of narrative text?
So for my opinion, the purpose of narrative text is it to give us a moral lesson. So because karena sebenarnya cerita rakyat ini lebih ditujukan kepada anak-anak, jadi pencipta cerita ini berusaha ini menjelaskannya dengan menggunakan bahasa yang lebih mudah dimengerti oleh anak-anak. Itu Mi.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Jessica. We move to the next slide. Okay, wait. Okay, next is structure of narrative text. First is orientation. So in this part, is usually found in the first paragraph of narrative text. So the writer who made the story introduced the characters and the setting, like time or place of the story. Okay, next I want Agnes to read complication.
Okay, complications in this part, the main character face complication or crisis.
Okay, next Agnes, Jessica, I mean.
Resolution. These parts tell how the complication or crisis is resolved. If there is more than one complication, there might be more than one resolution.
Okay, for the last is reorientation. So in this part, it is sums up the whole story with a moral values or lesson implied. So I want to ask Jessica, after read the text before, I want to ask you again, what is the structure of narrative text?
The first is resolution. The second is
Uh-huh.
complication.
Okay, stop. Okay, next Agnes,
First,
apa lagi?
okay. The generic structure, the first is orientation. So the orientation is the background of the story. So the writer must describing the people involved in the story when they are, and then where the story took place. And the second one is complication. So in this part, the writer write the when and where the story took place. I mean, when the problem arise in the story. And the third is resolution. So in this part, the crisis or problem is resolved. And the last is reorientation. So I think reorientation is optional because may or not exist. Does it miss?
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Um, any question everyone sejauh ini bisa dipahami?
But miss, it's clear.
Okay, okay, we move to the next night. It's language feature. Okay, let me read first. In narrative text, there are many language features, but the first one is past tense. Why narrative text use past tense? Because in the story, basically use past tense because the story is tells events that already happened. Okay. For example, like a word walk, saw, live, escape, like that. And I want to Jessica to read action verbs.
Action verb. Action verb is that verbs that show action in the story. Example: run, fight, climb, shout. The knight fought the dragon.
Okay. I want to ask Jessica again. Can you give uh another action verbs?
Like
Contoh lain.
apa? Catching, menangkap.
Catching.
Catching.
Iya,
Okay.
catching. Atau yang apa? Kayak catching, dress up.
Okay.
Dress
Dress
up.
up.
Hmm.
How about Agnes?
How about uh walk
Okay. Walk. Good.
and
Okay.
and
I
and
would
then
uh
jump, jump, jump. Jam, Miss.
Jam. Okay, good. Good. Okay, correct. Okay, next is time connectors. Who want to read this one? I think Agnes.
Okay. Time connectors are sequence word. I mean, words that
Sequence.
show the order of events. Examples is once upon a time, then suddenly, finally, after that, then the wolf ran away.
Okay, can you everyone give example examples of time connectors or sequence
Meanwhile,
words?
Miss. Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, okay. Jessica, how about you?
Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
Okay, once
udah,
upon a time.
it's
Nah,
Udah
already
ada.
oh. What miss? One day.
Another.
one day.
Okay,
Yes.
one day.
Soon. Soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. Soon. The next is adjective. What is adjective, everyone?
Adjective is word that describe people, place, or things.
Okay, Jessica, can you give example of adjective?
An example like kind, bad, greedy, angry, happy.
Okay, good. Thank you, everyone. Okay, we move to the next slide.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so here is the kinds of narrative text. Okay, first is adventure. What is adventure, everyone?
Adventure is
Bahasa Indonesianya.
tantangan, petualangan.
Tantangan. Oke, petualangan. Next, mysterious. What
Mystery.
is mysterious, Jessica?
Misterius.
Mystery. Okay. How about
Mystery is
fairy
a
tales?
story that
Fairy tales.
Huh?
Dongeng.
cerita tentang fantasi, Miss, yang berkaitan dengan
Fantasi.
makhluk mistis.
Wait, Miss.
Fairy
Wait, Miss.
tales.
I will show you, Miss.
Okay. What? Fairy tales? Fairy tales is dongeng ya, Jessica. Tapi fantasi
Iya,
juga
Miss.
bisa. Tapi lebih ke dongeng. Okay, next is romance. Oh my god, you have it?
Yeah, I have
Oh, but
novel Mariposa.
what is it? Novel tells about Agnes Street.
This is
Tanya tentang
romance
apa?
story. Romance story.
Romance, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is science fiction. What is science fiction, everyone?
Fiksi
Kind
pengetahuan
of story that
ilmu.
telling about science fiction. It's more
Yeah.
like a fiction story.
Fiksi
Ya,
ilmiah.
ilmiah.
Okay. Next,
Horor.
horror. Horror itu apa? Next, fables. What is fables?
Cerita yang berkaitan tentang
Cerita
makhluk-makhluk mistis,
hewan,
Miss.
hewan. Fables. Fables itu cerita hewan.
Tentang next is folklore. What is folklore?
Dongeng.
Cerita?
Berkaitan dengan
Cerita rakyat.
dongeng
No, cerita
Cerita
rakyat.
rakyat.
daerah, Miss.
Cerita rakyat.
Cerita
Dongeng sebuah
rakyat.
daerah,
Good.
Miss.
Okay, next. Legend. What is legend? Legenda.
Legenda. Legenda suatu daerah.
Miss. Ya. Bercerita tentang
Legenda
terbentuknya
suatu.
suatu di sebuah daerah gitu, Miss.
Oh ya, correct. Legenda.
Nah.
How about myth? Mitos.
Oh, kalau mitos ini
Mitos
lebih
tentang
berkaitan
apa
dengan
aja?
dewa-dewi atau norma adat sosial yang berlaku di sebuah tempat, Miss.
Ya.
Okay, good. That's all. Okay. Here I want you all to read. How to read this? First I want Jessica to read from once upon a time until a point, a dot until here. Oke, next dilanjutkan oleh Agnes, read until point again. And next, Jessica again, okay? Okay, time is yours, Jessica.
Once upon a time, there lived a wise and noble king in a Japanese kingdom. Although his reign was prosperous and his people lived in harmony, the king had one deep sorrow. He had no heir to continue his legacy. Every day he prayed to the gods and sought guidance from wise men.
One day, a mysterious old man appeared before him carrying a small golden snail. The old man told the king, "Take care of the snail, and your praise will be answered." The king, too confused, accepted the gift. To his surprise, the snail transformed into the beautiful young man named Dewi Galu. The king was captivated by her beauty and kindness, and eventually they were married. Their love was blessed with the birth of handsome son Raden Putra.
Okay, next, Jessica.
Unbeknownst to the king, Dewi Galuh was actually a celestial being who had been forced into the form of a snail. The curse had one condition: if she ever laid her eyes upon a golden object, she would instantly return to her original snail form.
For many years, Devi Galu managed to live happily in the place without encountering anything golden. But one fateful day, as she strolled to the rose garden, her gaze accidentally fell upon a rare golden flower that had just bloomed. In an instant, her body shrank and whisked back into the small golden snail.
Okay, Jessica.
A swallow that was flying nearby swooped down and swallowed the snail. When Raden Putra learned of his mother's disappearance, he was devastated. Rumors spread through the place that his mother had vanished without a trace. Determined to save her, Raden Putra set out on a long journey, following clues and even hunting down the swallow that had taken her away.
Okay, next, Agnes.
After days of searching, Raden Putra finally found the swallow that carefully retrieved the golden snail from its belly. With love and hope, he held the snail close and prayed to the gods to release his mother from the curse. Miraculously, the curse was broken. The snail simmered with light and transformed once again into Dewi Kalu, more radiant than ever before. The king rejoiced
Okay,
when he
next.
saw his wife. Oh, okay, miss.
Next, Jessica.
The king rejoiced when he saw his wife and son reunited. The place was filled with celebration, and the people praised the strength of Raden Putra's love and devotion.
Okay,
Tale
for the
of
last
Tale.
paragraph,
Oh, miss.
wait. For the last paragraph, I want you all to read together. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The
The tale
tale
of
of Keong
Tale of
Emas
Keong
teaches
Mas
us that
teach
true love,
us
faith, and
that true love,
perseverance can overcome
life, and
even the
present
most
faith
powerful curses. It also reminds us
so
about the
reminds us
importance
about the
of trust,
importance of
patience, and
trust,
courage
patience,
in the
and courage
face
in the
of
face of
hardship.
hardship. For
For
generation,
generation, this
this
story
story
has been
has been
passed down
passed
in Japanese
down in
cultures,
Japanese culture, not
not
only
only
as
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 entertainment, but
entertainment,
also
but
as a
also
moral
as
lesson
a moral
about
lesson about
family,
family,
love, and
love, and
sacrifice.
sacrifice. Today,
Today, Keong
Keong
Emas
Mas
remains one
remains
of
one of
Indonesia's most beloved
Indonesia's
Folklore
stories.
stories.
Okay, thank you for the read, everyone. Next, we move to the next slide. Um, we will do a discussion, analyze a story. I will to display a video from YouTube. Wait. Wait.
Yeah, miss. It's okay, miss.
Is there any voice from the video? Apakah ada suaranya?
No, miss. I think from audio from laptop, miss.
How about now?
Not yet, miss.
Uh, okay. I think can you just read the subtitle
Okay,
for
miss. Okay.
here? Okay. Okay. Pay attention. Yeah. Okay. Uh, we move to the slide. I have some questions for you guys. Which is the orientation? Anyone want to answer? Maybe Jessica.
My answer is the orientation happens when the story introduced Mrs. Rondo. Her she lived in Central Java, and her wish to have a
Mhm.
child because he can help a child. So the other he finally gave a gave a daughter that the name of daughter is Timun Mas.
Okay, correct. How about number two? Which event in the story shows the complication or main problem? Maybe I want to ask Agnes. Okay, Agnes.
Okay, thank you, Miss. The complication starts when the Green Giant comes to collect Demon Mask as promised, causing danger and conflict as Demon Mask is chased by the giant. That is Miss.
Okay, correct. Okay, next question. Which part of the story shows the resolution of the problem? One, okay, Jessica.
So the Reon station show that Timun Mas and Mrs. Rondo are safe. Eh, so sorry, Miss, I'm
No,
wrong.
no,
So the
resolution.
happens when Timun Mas use the magical item, especially the shrimp paste, to defeat the giant and stop the conflict.
Okay, correct. For the last questions, which part of the story shows the orient the reorientation or ending of the story? Who want to answer?
Me, Miss.
Agnes, okay.
Okay, show the Demon Mask and Mr. Rondo are safe. The problem is fully solved and they live peacefully without the giant. That's just it.
Okay, correct. Okay, thank you everyone. Your answer is correct all. Okay, next we move to quizzes game. Are you guys have quizzes application?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes.
Okay. Wait.
Sorry, Miss, can you give the link, please?
Wait. Okay, everyone, let's join the quiz.
Miss, can you share the link to the group, Miss?
Okay.
Ya, Miss.
Sudah.
Ya, Miss.
But no one join.
I'm already in the dashboard, Miss, with Jessica.
Me too, Miss. Me too, Miss. I'm already.
Oh, I think my connection. Okay, I will start. What?
Then, Miss.
Done, Miss.
First, Jessica is first.
So Jessica, can we move to the uh, okay, I think that's all our our lesson today. Wait. Okay. And do you guys have any question?
So
No.
far, enough,
So far, it's
Miss.
so clear. Thank you, Miss.
All right. Good job for today. I hope this lesson will help you to understand. Okay. Okay. So that's all our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye. See you in next meeting.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Loh, kok udah ngerekam?